In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change opacity in CapCut. Opacity controls how transparent your clip appears, which is perfect for fades, ghosted effects, or blending multiple layers together. By the end, you'll know exactly where the opacity setting lives in CapCut and how to make it change over time with simple keyframes. Start by opening CapCut and creating or opening a project. Once the editor loads, you should see your timeline at the bottom, a preview window, and editing controls on the side. If you land on a blank workspace, that's normal. Your first move is to bring in a clip. Add your video to the project. You can import it from your computer and then drag it onto the timeline, or use the Add or Import button if you prefer. Make sure the clip you want to adjust is selected in the timeline so CapCut shows the right controls for that clip. If you click away and the controls disappear, just reselect the clip. With your clip selected, go to the Blend controls. In the desktop editor, you'll typically find Blend in the panel where clip properties appear. If you don't see it immediately, look for a section labeled Video or Blend on the right side. On mobile, you'll find similar options after tapping the clip and opening the editing toolbar. The key is that you're on the clip's properties panel, not a global setting. Click Opacity. This opens a slider that ranges from fully opaque to fully transparent. Sliding to the left makes the clip see-through. Sliding to the right makes it solid again. Use the preview to judge how your background or other layers show through as you adjust. You can adjust it now for a constant transparency or animate it with keyframes to create fades. To keyframe, position the playhead where you want the change to start, set the opacity, and add a keyframe using the diamond icon near the parameter. Move the playhead to a new point in time, change the opacity again, and CapCut will automatically create a smooth transition between those values. For a fade-in, start at 0% opacity at the beginning, add a keyframe, move forward a second or two, and set it to 100%. For a fade-out, do the reverse near the end of the clip. Adjust the timing to make the fade faster or slower, and preview to fine-tune. If you're layering clips, remember only the selected clip's opacity is changing, so any lower track will show through accordingly. If you need to go back, use the Reset option on the slider. That's it. Clean, controlled opacity changes in CapCut, with or without animation. Happy editing!